The Syiem clan of Ra Nongtlu today officially unveiled a memorial stone in honor of Chak, who was the Syiem or chieftain and warrior of Ra Nongtlu in the year 1858. The memorial stone has been erected in the courtyard of the Syem's office in Umden Market by the Dorbar Kur Syiem Ra Nongtlu. The unveiling ceremony was led by Nongpo MLA Meralbon Syiem along with clan elders, parents and youths from the Syiem clan of Ra Nongtlu. It is worth noting that Chak Syiem, the son of Ngap, ruled the region for just 1 year from 1858 to 1859 as the fourth Syiem of Ra Nongtlu. The Syiem clan also felicitated and honored the young members of the clan who have brought recognition and pride through their achievements in academics, sports and other fields.
Jadi kijing bunam kijing sanam kalau anda gadur jom rumah, kalau anda gadur jom hidup, kalau anda gadur history itu bakal terjadi. Ini mana juk jom jadi telah hidup jom jadi star. Ibang hidamkan bantu uha bukti dan bantu dokumen. Iki jintip rekod ibang tempat bagi ini.
With the aim of fostering unity and strengthening